In Kenya today, more than 20 million people lack access to basic sanitation. This means they lack access to a toilet, or at least a place that they can call a safe toilet. When you look at our population, that's close to half of our population that requires safe sanitation. And what that means is we need to build more than 5 million toilets to just basically offer this to this population. And can you imagine in a day like this, with the COVID-19 pandemic, it's that much more important today more than ever that we need to provide this safe sanitation to our own people.
So at SILAFRICA, we have a partnership with LIXIL with the SATO project for safe toilets. And we thought the SATO toilet, which is such an easy upgrade to convert open pit toilets to closed pit, would help the communities where our workers live and keep them safe and healthy. Because one of the big challenges in these low-income, high-density communities is that they use pit latrines that are open. Okay, so the flies keep coming out and infecting everybody. Right now is not the time to allow communicable diseases to compromise the health of our population. Otherwise, we're not going to have healthy people coming to work, and Kenya will stop moving.
You can imagine the safety of a child today in a pit latrine. I mean, we've seen different news where children fall inside a pit latrine. We are seeing the contamination of people being able to, after using the toilet, coming back home, and there's all that cross-contamination. So it's one thing to wash your hands, but if you have an open pit, you can imagine the likelihood of another pandemic based on another disease, communicable disease like cholera. You can imagine how that will spread, especially now that we are closed down.
So as we said during the pandemic, right, we're all in it together. And there is no way that as SILAFRICA, we can just manufacture these SATO latrines and expect them to install themselves. So we need to work as a partnership. LIXIL has been an amazing partner. Together with them, we are donating 2,000 latrines.
With these 2,000 donations, we want to change lives. We want to see the communities that we live in to be living in a safe environment. Not only for our employees who work for us every day, but for even our children and everybody else who's important to our community. And this is why it's important today that we do what we're doing by starting with the donations. And really, we want to make this bigger than what it is today.